हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माइलस्टोन टॉक्स। आज हम फिर एक नई कहानी के साथ आए हैं। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले बेल आइकन पे जाके उसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो आज की कहानी का नाम है इलॉन मस्क द क्रेजी जीनियस। ऑन 28th June 2021, Elon Musk will hit yet another milestone, turning 50. Over the past 5 decades, Musk has managed to become the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, founder of the Boring Company, and co founder of OpenAI and Neuralink, all while focused on his long term goal escaping Earth and colonizing Mars. In fact, between space rockets, electric cars, solar batteries, and the billions he made along the way, Musk is basically a real life Tony Stark, which is why he served as an inspiration for Marvel's 2008 Iron Man film. पर इलॉन मस्क के लिए सब कुछ हमेशा इतना आसान नहीं था। स्कूल में बुली होने से लेकर कंपनीज के सीईओ बनने तक इलॉन ने कई मुश्किलों का सामना किया। एक वक्त था जब उनके पास बैंक में 1 रुपए भी नहीं थे और उन पर कोर्ट के मुकदमे और सरकार की जांच चल रही थी, पर इन सब का इलॉन ने डटकर अकेले सामना किया। As of 2021, he has an estimated total net worth of 151 billion. He is surpassed only by Jeff Bezos as the richest person in the world. Now, coming to his early life and education, Elon Reeve Musk was born in 1971 in Pretoria, one of South Africa's 3 capital cities. His father was an engineer and his mother a model and nutritionist. He is the eldest of 3 children, all high achievers. His brother Kimball Musk is a venture capitalist and environmentalist, and his sister Tosca Musk is an award-winning producer and director. इलॉन 9 साल के थे जब उनके पेरेंट्स का डिवोर्स हो गया था, जिसके बाद वो अपने पिता के साथ रहने लगे। पर उनका बचपन बहुत ही परेशानियों से भरा था और बड़े होने पर उन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में यह तक कह दिया कि उनके पिता इतने बुरे इंसान थे दैट ही वाज द वर्स्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग ही हैड एवर मेट. Bullied as a child. By his own account, Musk, a self described bookworm and something of a smart aleck, he said that he read everything from encyclopedias to comic books. But Musk's intellectual aptitude did him a few favors as a child. He found few friends and was constantly bullied and beaten by his classmates for being different. अब आते हैं उनकी early accomplishments पे. If there was a point of bright escape for Musk, it was technology. When he was only 10, he became acquainted with programming via the Commodore VIC-20. That is an inexpensive home computer available at that time. And before long, he had become proficient enough to create Blaster. Now, Blaster is a video game in the style of Space Invader. And he sold the basic code for the game to a magazine called PC and Office Technology for $500. अब आते हैं उनकी कॉलेज लाइफ पे। तो 17 साल की उम्र में इलॉन कनाडा शिफ्ट हो गए एंड वहाँ की क्वींस यूनिवर्सिटी में दाखिला ले लिया। वहीं पर उन्हें उनकी वाइफ जस्टीन विल्सन मिली, जिनके साथ उन्हें 5 बच्चे हुए, पर 2008 में उन दोनों का डिवोर्स हो गया। क्वींस यूनिवर्सिटी से ट्रांसफ़र लेकर इलॉन मस्क ने यूएस के यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ पेंसिल्वेनिया से 2 मास्टर्स की डिग्री हासिल की, और ये 2 डिग्रीज थी फिजिक्स एंड बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स में। आफ्टर लीविंग पेन, मस्क headed to Stanford University in California to pursue a PhD in energy physics. However, his move was timed perfectly with the internet boom, and he dropped out of Stanford after 2 days to become part of it, launching his first company, Zip2 Corporation, in 1995. Now, coming to the list of companies Elon has headed in the past decades. So first we come to Zip2 Corporation. Musk launched his first company, Zip2 Corporation, in 1995 with his brother Kimball Musk. An online city guide, Zip2 was soon providing content for the new websites of both the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune. In 1999, a division of the Compaq Computer Corporation bought Zip2 for $307 million in cash and $34 million in stock options. PayPal, that is his second company. In 1999, Elon and Kimball Musk used the money from their sale of Zip2 and founded X.com, an online financial services / payment company. An X.com acquisition the following year led to the creation of PayPal as it is known today. Now coming to his third company, SpaceX. Musk founded his third company, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, or SpaceX as it is called, in 2002 with the intention of building spacecraft for commercial space travel. By 2008, SpaceX was well established and NASA awarded the company the contract to handle cargo transport for the International Space Station, with plans for astronaut transport in the future. In a move to replace NASA's own space shuttle missions, he did this to make flying across the universe cheaper. Now coming to one of his biggest companies and the most successful one, Tesla Motors. Musk is also the co-founder and CEO and product architect at Tesla Motors, a company formed in 2003 that is dedicated to producing affordable mass market electric cars as well as battery products and solar roofs. Musk oversees all product development, engineering and design of the company's products himself. His new venture is The Boring Company. In January 2017, Musk launched The Boring Company, a company devoted to boring and building tunnels in order to reduce street traffic. Now coming to his most interesting company, it's called Neuralink. In 2016, Musk co-founded Neuralink, a neurotechnology startup company to integrate the human brain with an intelligence AI. Neuralink's purpose is to create devices that are embedded in the human brain to facilitate the merging of the brain with machines. The device will also reconcile with the latest improvements in artificial intelligence to stay updated. Such improvements could enhance memory or allow the device to communicate with softwares more effectively. In सारी companies के अलावा, Musk is well known for his investments in music, large donations to non-profit organizations and NGOs, and his controversial tweets regarding his companies and cryptocurrency. अब आते हैं recognition and awards की तरफ. So Musk was elected as a fellow of the Royal Society in 2018 and was listed amongst Time magazine's 100 most influential people in 2010, 2013 and 2018. He has received various other awards such as the Order of the Drukgyal given for his contributions in the Tham Luang cave rescue in Thailand. Elon Musk आज एक ऐसा नाम है जिससे वेल्थ और सक्सेस के साथ जोड़ा जाता है. And despite his problem and different approach to life and science, his achievements are an inspiration for all, making him nothing short of a genius. तो ये थी आज की कहानी. कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके हमें बताइए कि आपको आज की कहानी कैसी लगी और आप अगली बार हमसे क्या सुनना चाहते हैं. बेल आइकन पे जाके वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और हाँ, डू लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. मिलते हैं अगली बार फिर एक नई कहानी के साथ.